In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Opera GX panic button. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The latest version of the Opera GX web browser includes the panic button, which allows you to quickly hide all of your tabs and make sure that no one notices what you are trying to do. So it is a great way to quickly close down any applications that you don't want to get caught using. So to do this, all that you have to do is click these little three lines over here at the top right, scroll down and go to full browser settings. You will then be able to look for Panic. To find the Panic button settings, it is going to be underneath the GX category right here between web modding and keep limiters enabled after browser restart. If you don't have the Panic button option, you either have to enable Early Bird, so it's also going to be over here. Make sure that this is enabled so you can access Panic button, or alternatively update Opera GX to the latest version available, so check for updates. Regardless, once you are running the latest version of Opera, you will be able to go into the Panic button settings. As you can see, finally an answer to the age-old question, is today the day I get caught? Never. Trigger the panic button at any time to instantly hide your current session and force open a new browser window. So totally boring, and you will be able to enable this. Once you have it enabled, you can add certain links here, but this isn't necessary, and as soon as you press F12, you will be able to use the panic button. As you can see, you can also assign your own key or URLs here in the settings menu. So when you press F12, this is what happens. It is going to close down and open a random web browser page for you to visit. So you can repeat this process as many times as needed, and every time that you do, you will be able to go back into the older session. So as you can see, I pressed F12 again, and now I'm back to the old session that I had open, but if I press F12 once more, I'll be able to open a new page. That seems like nothing interesting is happening. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Opera GX panic button. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.